Students, I welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing online education to students. So again, I welcome you. Students, this is module number 3, and in this module we shall discuss the topic packing that has been taken from your book Beehive. It has been written by Jerome K. Jerome. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the rest of the story. So let's discuss. Keeping in mind the amount of time taken by Jerome to pack the bag, George and Harris decide to pack the hampers themselves and show Jerome the real art of packing. However, they are equally clumsy and break a cup at the very outset. This is followed by squashing a tomato, treading on the butter, and smashing the pies by putting heavy things on them. Salt flies all over while they are packing. Students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story further. So let's discuss. After peeling the butter off George's slipper, they try unsuccessfully to squeeze it into the kettle. They finally scrape it and put it down on the chair. Harry sits on it and the butter gets stuck to his back. Then both these men go about searching for the butter all over the room. Later, George locates it behind Harry's back and it is packed in the teapot. Montmorency, their pet dog, contributes his bit to this exercise of packing by sitting on things, climbing into the jam, and cursing lemons as though they were rats. Students, rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the rest of the story. So let's discuss. Finally, the packing is done by 12:50 at night. This is followed by a discussion on the wake up time, and George is so tired that he sleeps off even before the time is decided upon. Jerome and Harris decide that 6:30 in morning would be the right time to get up and then they to go off to sleep. So students, this is the story of packing, and I hope that you might have understood it very well. And in the next module we shall discuss the next chapter. So wait for the next module. Keep watching the module. Thank you.